Hello everyone, happy January. So A Colorful Life Designs has a new stamp set. This is the Oodles stamp set. I love you Oodles. So many great sentiments. Love you so much. Forever besties. And so much more. This is the stencil I used today, Boho Heart. It is so pretty. And this is the card that I made. I have been loving purple and green together. So that is my colors for the beginning of the year. So I used crushed violet, lilac, and matcha for my inks from Catherine Puller today. So this is so pretty, and it's a nice big heart. So I had to use a 5x7, but you can easily not use the whole heart, but I wanted to for this card today. So I am just using 3 colors. It would look really pretty with just one color or a bunch of colors. And I was really wanting to use these new inks that I had. So, and Catherine Puller has some great inks. So you can easily use Pixie spray. I should have used Pixie spray. It is a little intricate, but I just winged it. So I am just, I went with the crushed violet and then the matcha or match. Yeah, I think it's called matcha. I believe it's a tea, right? So, and I'm not too much into tea, but I am starting to get into teas now, especially now that it's colder. I like to drink tea at night. I watch Netflix and I watch tea and enjoy my time on the couch. So that has been a little bit of a ritual for me. I like chai tea and I like chamomile tea. And I love peppermint tea. So those have been my 3 favorites. So I hope to like more. I do have some green tea that I might try later today. Tonight. So we will see. So aren't these colors pretty? I love these colors. So you might see me making a lot of projects with these colors. This release is so beautiful, and I just love these sentiments from the Oodles stamp set. They stamp so nicely too, and I'm not just saying that. So I really loved using them, and I know I'm going to keep it on my desk to use for my other projects. So I'm just flicking some Distress mica spray stain. I believe it is in Bubbling Cauldron, sorry. That is a Halloween set that I got last year sometime, or I guess around Halloween. So pretty. You can easily use green paint, Distress green ink, or any kind of green or red, green or purple ink. So I'm just going to run this 5x7 die. It's from Trinity Stamps through my die cutting machine. And so I do cut off a tiny bit of the bottom there, but that is okay. You can always turn it and just get half the heart. I might have to do that next time. So that is the stamp set. I'm stamping Love You So Much in VersaFine ink. And I did stamp it 2 times just because, but I didn't really see much of a big difference. So I should have just left it the first time. So pretty. Isn't that a beautiful sentiment? You can even stamp it on the back of your cards, in the middle, in the inside of your card. So pretty. So I am just going to be gluing this panel to my 5x7 Nina card base, 110 pound, and I am just adding some sequins. I wasn't sure what sequins I used on my first card, so these ones are like a iridescent, so I thought it would be pretty to use. And usually I do in odds, so I was going to put 3 sequins, but then I noticed my first card has 5, so then I will be using 5 as well. And I always like the different sizes, but these ones are the same size. And use my code VaughnFan10 to save 10% off your purchase. There are so many stencils on my wish list, so if you check out the website, there's just so many to choose from. And lots of neutrals to use with your projects as well. So that is it for my card. I hope you like what I made. I hope you'll check out the whole release and check out this month and use my code, and please subscribe and ring that bell to get notified. I appreciate all my new subscribers as well. I appreciate all of you. Have a great day.